Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you put your Jolly jumper together. First, lay out all your components, including the frame pieces and the jumper unit. Begin by connecting the two long base bars to form the bottom of the frame. Next, attach the 4 vertical support poles to these base bars. Listen for a secure click, ensuring each pole is firmly in place. This forms the foundational structure of your Jolly jumper stand, providing a stable base for your little one's fun. Now that the base is assembled, let's complete the frame. Take the 2 shorter crossbars and secure them to the top of the vertical support poles. These will create the upper part of your frame. Don't forget to insert the 4 rubber feet onto the bottom of the base bars. These are crucial for stability and to protect your floors. Give all connections a firm tug to ensure the entire frame is sturdy and ready for the next step. With the frame fully assembled, it's time to attach the Jolly jumper unit itself. Locate the spring mechanism and the harness. Carefully attach the spring mechanism to the center hook or loop located at the very top of your assembled frame. It's vital to also secure the safety strap or chain provided, as this acts as a secondary safeguard against any accidental detachment. This step ensures your baby will bounce safely and securely. Before placing your baby in the Jolly jumper, perform a final safety check. Verify that all connections on both the frame and the jumper unit are tight and secure. Adjust the harness to fit your baby comfortably and safely, ensuring their feet can just touch the ground. Remember, always supervise your baby while they are using the Jolly jumper. It's designed for babies who can hold their head up unassisted, typically around 3 months of age, for maximum enjoyment and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.